Award for Top Choice Renovation Services of 2019 in Vancouver. And the award goes to Ridgewater Homes Limited.
Wow, what an honor. Thank you, Top Choice, for this amazing award. But this wouldn't be possible without all the people who voted. I want to first of all thank God for giving me the passion and the talent. I want to thank my wife and son for putting up with me in my long hours. Also, I want to give a big thanks to my crew and all the sub-trades and all of our clients. Thank you to Brian Baumler for your words of encouragement. None of this would have been possible without all of you. Thank you. Lastly, I want to thank a client that owes us a lot of money and for all his negative comments. Strange, I know, but you pushed me to work harder and be better. You made us change and not only do renovations, but become a licensed certified builder and renovator. But you still owe us money. Once again, thank you to everyone for voting for us for Best Renovation Company 3 years in a row for Vancouver. Thank you.
I am here with Daryl Burden. He is the third-time winner of the Top Choice Renovation Services of 2019 in Vancouver with Ridgewater Homes Limited. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And who is this little guy?
This is my son, Caden.
Hi, Caden.
Hi.
You're so cute.
Thanks.
Boston training. Boston training.
He looks so handsome in his suit. What is your story?
We started 5 years ago. I bought the company and built it up. We started as renovations, and then last couple of years, started building custom homes.
Wonderful. And what's the number one room people always renovate?
Kitchens.
Okay.
Kitchens is the most common thing. People want a fresh, open feeling. Opening up walls, more storage, cleaner. They like concrete or granite or quartz tops.
Yes.
Those are the most common things that we see.
It's my kitchen.
Yep.
It's exactly my kitchen. What's the second most popular?
Bathrooms.
Okay. I knew you were
It's people, again, they want fresh new looks. Like, we got bathrooms that are like 20, 30 years old, and they're just not functional for people today. So they want more romance in the bathroom. Is kind of sounds weird, but they want more
spa-like.
Yeah, and just cleaner, softer feel.
I agree. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks.
Have a great night.
You too.
Okay.
Thank you.